I just pushed one commit to GitHub. 42 seconds later, my live API on Hostinger updated automatically. No SSH, no manual git pull, no PM to restart. Claude Code wrote the entire deploy pipeline for me, and I'm going to show you the exact prompt. Most developers deploy to a VPS the same painful way every time. They SSH in, pull the code, install the dependencies, restart the service, check the logs, hope nothing broke. Repeat this every single time you push. It's slow, it's error prone, and the reason most people don't fix it because GitHub Actions YAML is intimidating. So today I'm going to let Claude Code write it for me. Here is the full pipeline. I push code to GitHub. GitHub Actions catches the push. It SSHs into my Hostinger VPS using a deploy key. It pulls the latest code, runs npm install, and restarts the app with PM2. The whole thing takes under a minute end to end, and once it's set up, I never touch it again. I'll show you the key generation in a second. Just 3 commands. So first of all, we need to run this command. This will make the brand new key pair dedicated to this one project. So submit that and it is created. And we need to run this command and make sure to add your correct IP address by going to the Hostinger, and here on the overview you will find the IP address. Just copy that and paste it here. So this command will install the public key on your remote VPS. If you hit enter, you will be asked your VPS password once. Let's do that, but make sure to get the correct IP and submit that. So this basically confirms the key works without a password. If it prints root like this, then you are ready. Okay, so I gave it this just one prompt where I'm asking it to set up GitHub Actions to auto deploy this repo to my Hostinger VPS at this IP address. Whenever I push it to main branch, use SSH with a deploy key. On VPS, the app lives at this path and is managed by PM2 with the process name task tracker. The workflow should pull the latest code, run the npm install production, and PM2 restart task dash tracker. Tell me which GitHub secrets I need to add and exactly what values they should be. Before I proceed, let me quickly show you what currently we have. So this is my current API hosted on Hostinger on this same IP address you see, and we are getting the welcome to task tracker API. So we will change this message shortly once everything is set up. So let's go back to the terminal and submit that and watch. It is asking for my permission to create this directory. For GitHub workflows, select yes. Asking for permission to create deploy.yml, select yes. Alright, it's done. We got complete summary, and let me take you to the VS Code. Look at what it just wrote. A complete workflow file at .github/workflows/deploy.yml. It's using Appleboy SSH action, the most reliable one for this. Referencing these secrets, I need to add to GitHub, and it told me exactly what each secret should contain. So no YML guesswork, no copy paste from Stack Overflow or from internet. And here we need to click on new repository secret, and let's add them one by one. Will be this. Copy the name and paste the IP address, that is this one. Make sure repeat the same process 4 times to add all 4. We need the full contents of the private key file, including the begin and end lines. So for that, go to the terminal and open a new tab in the terminal and run this command. This will get the private SSH key content and it will copy the entire content on your clipboard because of this. And we got the value on our clipboard. Just paste it here. Now we have added all the secrets. Here I can say welcome back. So here I have updated from old message to this one, welcome back, updated with GitHub Action and Claude Code, and these are the all changes that you can see. We just need to commit and push. Welcome message, git push origin main, git push origin main, GitHub Actions tab of your repository, and look at that. GitHub Action catches the push immediately. Workflow started and you see that it spinned up a Ubuntu server, checking out the code, SSHing into my VPS server. It did the SSH into my VPS. Now let me reload it. The new welcome message is live. From now on, every push to main deploys automatically. Just to show you another quick demo. So I just asked it to update main root endpoint and make it to show landing page instead of just JSON. So it will just quickly create an HTML and serve through that endpoint. Okay, it created the HTML, give it permission, it's done. So look at the diff. This time it replaced from JSON to response.type html.send, and it is now sending the entire HTML. Now let's quickly commit and push it. So I'm pushing from terminal. So I just pushed to the main branch, and let's quickly go back to the actions, and you will notice a new workflow has been started, and within few seconds it will be live and it is green. So this is very small project, so it is very fast. So just for sanity check on VPS, PM2 logs show the restart happened seconds ago and the new code is running. For that, you just need to run this command in your terminal. Go to the terminal, run this command. Let me replace the IP address. Hit enter. Now I am inside my VPS, and here I will run this command, PM2 logs task dash tracker dash dash lines 20. It shows all of the logs, the restart that happened few seconds ago, the new code is running. So every time you create a commit and push it, you will see another log there. That's mean the server was restarted. So this is exactly what GitHub Actions did, except I didn't have to type any of it manually. So this is the foundation. From here, you can extend in 4 different directions. Like you can add SSL with certbot, so the API runs over HTTPS, point to a real custom domain at VPS, set up separate staging and production environments, or fire a Slack notification when a deployment completes. Drop a comment with which one you want me to cover next. Alright, GitHub Actions, Hostinger and Claude Code, 3 tools, 1 prompt, fully automated, deploys forever. If this helped, hit subscribe for more Claude Code automation tutorials. The Hostinger affiliate link and full deploy YAML are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.